If you like to help a teenager get a good financial education to get a head start in life, there are 3 books I recommend. Hi, this is Uncle Kevin. Welcome to this episode. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell to receive notification on my latest episode. So if you have a teenage child or friend and you like to help them with financial education, there are 3 books I recommend. I've been waiting for 2 months to get this delivery from Loot, and finally I got it yesterday. And I opened the box, and the books I bought for my 18-year-old son and the 16-year-old son are Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Cash Flow Quadrant. This is a sequel to Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Guide to Investing. So Robert Kiyosaki is a well-known author. He writes on personal finance and about money and how the world works in terms of money. And in the first book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he talks about his rich dad, who is his friend's dad, who owns businesses and hotels and properties in Hawaii, while his real dad, which is termed the poor dad, is a highly educated educator, but didn't understand how the money works. And then his second book about cash flow quadrant, he talks about the 4 quadrants, about being an employee, self-employed, a business owner, as well as investor, and how for each different quadrant the cash flow works. And the third book, Guide to Investing, talks about how the poor invests, how the middle class invests, and how the rich invests. So it really opens one's eyes in terms of how the world works and different types of people, and given their wealth, how they invest to create or accumulate wealth. So these are the 3 books I recommend. If you haven't read it, I suggest you also buy them and to read for yourself. Until next time, bye.
Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this episode and share it with your friends.